Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless charging, specifically taking a look at a wireless charging stand designed for your desk. Let's see if this gadget can streamline your workspace and keep your devices powered up. First things first, what exactly is a wireless charging stand? Well, it's essentially a stand that wirelessly charges your devices, like smartphones, earbuds, and even some smartwatches. Unlike traditional chargers, you don't need to fumble with cables. You simply place your device on the stand, and it starts charging. Pretty convenient, right? Now, there are a few things to consider when choosing a wireless charging stand for your desk. First, check the charging speed. Look for stands that support fast charging protocols like Qi. This ensures your devices charge quickly and efficiently. Next, consider the design. Does it fit your desk aesthetic? Does it have a stable base? And is it adjustable? Some stands allow you to adjust the viewing angle, which can be super helpful for video calls or watching videos. Another important factor is the number of charging coils. Some stands have multiple coils, allowing you to charge your phone in both portrait and landscape modes. This provides greater flexibility and convenience. Let's talk about some specific features to look for. Overcharge protection is a must-have. This prevents your devices from overcharging, which can damage the battery. Foreign object detection is also important. This feature detects if there's any metal object on the charging pad and prevents charging, which can cause overheating. Many stands also have LED indicators to show the charging status, so you know when your device is charging and when it's fully charged. Some stands even come with built-in cooling systems to prevent overheating during fast charging. So, what are the pros and cons of using a wireless charging stand on your desk? On the plus side, wireless charging stands eliminate cable clutter, keeping your desk looking neat and tidy. They're also super convenient, as you can easily drop your phone onto the stand and start charging. Many stands offer fast charging speeds, so you don't have to wait long for your device to power up. However, there are also a few downsides. Wireless charging can be slightly slower than wired charging. Also, you have to make sure your device is compatible with wireless charging. And finally, some wireless charging stands can be a bit pricier than regular chargers. Alright, so, should you get a wireless charging stand for your desk? If you value convenience, a clean workspace, and you're tired of dealing with cables, then absolutely. Just make sure to consider the features we've discussed, such as charging speed, design, and safety features. With the right wireless charging stand, you can create a more efficient and organized workspace and keep your devices charged and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless charging, specifically taking a look at a wireless charging stand designed for your desk. I've been testing this out for a while now, and I'm excited to share my in-depth thoughts and experiences with you all. First off, let's talk about the sheer convenience factor. Having a wireless charging stand on your desk truly transforms your workspace. No more fumbling with tangled cables, or the constant hunt for a free, available outlet. You simply place your phone effortlessly on the stand, and voila! It starts charging immediately. It's really that simple and streamlined. This particular stand I've been using boasts a sleek, modern design that fits perfectly and unobtrusively on my desk, seamlessly blending in with all my other essential tech accessories. It's a real aesthetic upgrade. Now, let's get into some of the more specific, key details. This wireless charging stand wholeheartedly supports fast charging, which, in my opinion, is a huge, critical plus. It can charge my phone remarkably quickly, which is absolutely essential when I'm constantly on the go or in a hurry. What's even better is its wide-ranging compatibility. It works seamlessly with a vast array of devices, from the latest iPhones to various Android phones, which is absolutely fantastic and shows its versatility. The stand also features a thoughtfully designed non-slip surface, so my phone remains securely in place, even when I'm frequently grabbing it throughout the day. This provides significant peace of mind. One of the aspects I genuinely appreciate and find extremely useful about this stand is the carefully considered viewing angle. It's angled perfectly and ergonomically designed for me to see my phone screen clearly and comfortably while I'm actively working at my desk. I can effortlessly glance at incoming notifications, quickly answer important calls with ease, or enjoy watching videos without the incessant need to pick up my phone constantly. Furthermore, the stand incorporates built-in overcharge protection, which is an invaluable feature that greatly contributes to the longevity and overall health of your phone's valuable battery life. Now, let's address a few potential and minor downsides. As no product is perfect, the charging speed, while undeniably fast, might not be quite as incredibly fast as some of the most advanced wired chargers available on the market today. Additionally, if you happen to have an exceptionally thick phone case, it might, potentially, subtly affect the overall charging efficiency. Thus, it's always a prudent and recommended idea to double-check the compatibility of your specific phone case with wireless charging technology before making a purchase. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with this wireless charging stand. It's a fantastically convenient, stylish, and supremely practical addition to any desk setup. If you're actively looking to declutter your valuable workspace and make the process of charging your phone an absolute breeze, I wholeheartedly recommend giving this one a serious consideration. I'll be sure to leave a direct link in the description section below if you're interested in purchasing one for yourself or learning more. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I sincerely look forward to seeing you all in the very next video.